Right. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. So we have already started with active passive voice, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let us proceed now. Right. So any problem in this table? In this table? Is this table clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem? Anything that you need to ask?
No, ma'am.
Any problem in this table? Anything which you have not understood?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have difficult in uh, past perfect continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous.
Okay, now listen, there are four things are there in this table to which I have to explain it to you that present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous, future continuous and future perfect continuous. These four doesn't have their passive voices when you are converting into it. Okay, so they have only they only have active voice of the sentence. Getting my point? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
are you all getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these four things, these four active voices, if they are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future or future perfect continuous, future continuous or future perfect continuous, if their sentences are in any of these tenses, it will not be changed into passive voice. Okay, clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anything else that you need to ask? And whenever, for example, I'm giving you an example of present perfect continuous, like they have been growing the they have been growing the crops since last 1 week. Okay, now in this sentence you can see that the sentence is in present perfect continuous, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this read this sentence and let me know. This is following this rule, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is why,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, correct. That is why it is not going to be changed in passive voice because the rule says that if the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense, it is not going to be changed in passive form of the sentence. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, So this is how it goes, that if the sentence is in past perfect continuous also, had been growing, so they had been growing the crops since last few years, last few months, last 1 week, whatever the sentence is, it is not going to be changed in the passive voice of the passive form of the voice. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how it goes. Clear? So whenever any sentence in such in tenses, in these four tenses, okay, whenever the tense of the form, a tense or the form of the sentence in such way, the voice is not going to be changed. In from active to passive, it will not be changed in any of these tenses. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what this table says, and we have any question again in this table? Anything else you need to ask?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? Sneha, Nandini, Sakshi, it's Sakshi. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next thing is, now we have to start with exercise D. We have already done this exercise, right? B and C, है ना?
Ma'am, B and C, we have to start from B.
B I think we have done. B and C we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am, we have to start from B.
Yes, we have to start from D. Okay. So are you all doing it? And if in case it is not done earlier in your book, please be sure that you are doing it along with me. Okay? Is that clear
Yes, ma'am.
to everyone? Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
let us start now. Indian Premier League matches. What we have to write in a simple present tense, fill the blanks with the passive form. Passive form of verbs in the simple present tense. Okay, so what is the syntax of simple present tense? The syntax is, if it is
Ma'am, is R.
is, am, are plus is, am, are
First form.
plus past form of the past participle of the verb. Okay, third form of the verb. So if it is like Indian Premier League matches are
R played.
correct, are played. Okay, doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the swimmers are trained.
Trained.
Correct. All the swimmers are trained. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then the earthquake victims, come on, are
What?
nahi,
R provided.
a word is not going to be there, are, because it is present simple present tense now, so are provided. If it is a simple past tense, then it should be were, otherwise are. Okay, clear? Don't get confused.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because present tense की बात हो रही है ना, you cannot use past tense. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then next is the students are called.
Called.
Correct. The students are called. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the Republic Day, this one you are going to give me.
Ma'am, the Republic Day.
Sneha, answer, and please don't switch off your videos. I can see you. Please keep your videos on so that I can see you, beta. Don't do like that, okay? If the things have been told to you that you don't have to switch off your videos, you don't have to. Okay? Follow whatever the teacher says. Okay? Obey them. Okay, so keep your videos on. I'm not going to spy you. I'm not going to scold you if you are doing anything else. Let me know if you are eating or drinking something. I'll allow you to do that. Okay, but please keep your videos on. Okay. Then the Republic Day is
Are celebrated.
आर होगा, क्या होना चाहिए? Is celebrated. Okay, the Republic Day is celebrated. It is day na, not days. If it is days, then it should be are. But when it is a day, they are talking about a particular day, then it should be is.
Is celebrated.
Is celebrated. Okay, so is celebrated enthusiastically by all Indians. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any problem? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll be sending you the screenshot also of the same exercise. Okay, and then exercise E. Let us do exercise E. It is a festival time and the family is preparing to celebrate Christmas in a big way. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple tense. Okay, so let us do it together. The floor is mopped and the carpet is
Is clean.
cleaned. Correct. And the carpet is cleaned. The Christmas tree is, come on, the Christmas tree
Kept.
is
Is kept.
the Christmas tree is kept in the middle and is decorated.
Decorated.
Correct. And is decorated by all the children. A big star is, what is the past participle of hang? Come on.
Hung.
Hung. Hung.
Hang.
Hung.
Is hanged.
Okay, is hung at the entrance and cookies, cake, wafers are served. Served to all. Okay, there is happiness and cheer in the air. Okay, then candles are also being lighted.
Lighted.
Being lighted. Okay, being is going to be there. Is am are we can't use, so we have to use any form of the be. Okay, so candles are also being lighted and all are given gifts. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me take the screenshot of this exercise and then I'll be sending it to you. Okay, in case you have any doubt, you can go through it. Right, so now the exercise, these are very small exercises, we don't have to do much, only blanks are given over here, so we have to fill that. Okay, so the parrot was kept in a cage but soon fell ill. Then was kept, now here we have to use the simple past tense. Okay, write the following sentences in the passive voice in the simple past tense. So what is the syntax of simple past tense? Was or were plus third form of the verb. Okay, okay, so this is how we have to write it. So the parrot was kept in a cage but soon fell ill. A veterinary doctor was consulted. Correct. Consulted. The bird was given. Correct. The bird was given an injection, some medicines and a guava. The fruit was Third form of eat. Third form of eat.
Eaten.
Correct.
Eaten.
Correct.
Eaten by it.
Yes. So the fruit was eaten by it later and it soon looked better. The children were. Children is plural or singular? Tell me.
Told. Ma'am, the children are in plural.
It's a plural form. Correct. So children were told.
Told.
Okay, told not to trouble it at all. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this one is done. Any questions? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, again in the second exercise we have to do the same thing. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in the simple past tense. So the huts, plural or singular? Plural or singular?
Ma'am, huts will be plural.
It's plural. So was or were?
Repaired.
Correct. Were repaired. Correct. Getting it? Getting the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next page. The scholars were awarded. Correct. The scholars were awarded. The letter was posted by my sister yesterday. Yes, the scholars were awarded for their good work in the field of literature. The letters was posted by my sister yesterday. Then the pulses were soaked. Correct? Yes, were soaked before they were put into the grinder. Then fifth one, the show was
postponed.
correct. Postponed, not dead. Postponed. Only ed is going to be added. D is going to be added in postponed. ठीक है, E है ही वहाँ पर already. We just have to add D. Okay, so the show was postponed for 2 days due to bad weather. Any doubt? Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then simple future tense. So the syntax of the simple future tense is will. When we are converting it into passive, it should be will, be and plus third form of the verb. For example, will distribute will convert into will be distributed. Getting it? Getting it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us do the next exercise based on the same syntax, that is will be plus third form of the verb. Okay, so the cleanliness monitor announced in the class that the uniforms of all students will be checked. Correct, will be checked. Okay, every morning the identity cards will be collected. Will be collected only when the bus routes are to be changed or there is change in address. Okay, the furniture will be used properly by all the students as per the principal's instructions, and they will be responsible for any damage. Small pieces of paper or any rubbish thrown in the rooms will be picked. Come on, give the answer.
Will be picked.
Correct. Will be picked by the students at the end of the day.
Will be picked.
Correct. End of the day and put in the dustbin. Students of the class which is the most tidy. Tell me this one.
Will be given. Ma'am, will be given.
will be given. Correct. Okay, any problem? Any doubt? Anything which is not clear?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, let us do, few minutes are left. Do exercise I also. Then simple, which is based on simple future tense. Then present continuous tense we will be doing tomorrow. Okay. So let us do this one. So fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple future tense. Simple future tense, again the syntax will be same. Will be plus third form of the verb. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the passive form of the simple future tense. So an interesting story will be told. Correct. Will be told to the children in the evening. The names of winners will be announced. Announced after 10 minutes. Then women and children will be protected. Correct? Yes? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Feeling sleepy? Not answering? Come on. Then the babies will be given. Correct. बस थोड़ा देर और ठीक है will be given. So I hope this thing this exercise is clear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll be sending the answers in the group. Okay. And if in case you have any doubt, anything which is not clear, you can answer. You can question me regarding any of these tenses that I have taught you today, and keep that in mind that these four tenses are not going to be converted into passive voice. That is present perfect continuous, then past perfect continuous.
Perfect continuous, future continuous, past continuous and future perfect continuous.
Correct. Okay, future continuous and future perfect continuous are not going to be converted into passive voice. Okay, rest of all the things are going to be changed, and if it is grows, it will become is are grown. If it is are growing, it will become is are being grown. Has have grown will convert into has have been grown. Grew will become was were grown. Was were growing become was were being grown. Okay, this is all the sequences. Then had grown will become had been grown, and will grow become will be grown, and we will have grown become will have been grown. Okay, so this you have to learn. Okay, learn by heart, and then when you are practicing and writing these exercises in the book, you will be able to learn it properly. Okay, so I'll share the PDF, or if I have screenshots I have taken, I'll be sharing that too. And this is an activity. I will explain it to you tomorrow because not much time is left. I'll not take much of your time. Okay, so this activity I'll explain it to you tomorrow, and this is a reading challenge that everyone's attendance is must. If you the utmost thing is that everyone has to be here. If you are not going to be present in this activity, you will be marked absent, and the things are going to be very serious. Okay, maybe your marks are going to be deducted during final exams. So be sure that whichever activity is being given by the teachers, you are and these are not very difficult activities. Let me tell you, it's a very fun activities. We will enjoy it, and we will doing it in our regular classes also, because we have completed our syllabus, isn't it? हाँ हाँ.
Ma'am, in reader, have you given the solutions of chapter name the on the cricket and the grasshopper?
Yes, if you want it, you message me personally on 757. I will send it to you. I'll send you the PDF. Or anybody else have a PDF, please send it to her. Anyone else have a PDF? Anyone else in the meeting? Who else is having a PDF?
Ma'am, question answers ka?
Yes, Vita. I have shared the PDF on the grasshopper and the cricket, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can send.
You can send and let me see if I get it right now. I will send it to her right now. Okay, so please keep on revising, and that activity that I have told you, I'll explain it to you tomorrow, I mean on Monday. And one day you are going to get a time for revising all the things that I have taught. Okay, here I have got on the grasshopper and the cricket. I'm going to share the PDF right away. So in case you have not done it, do it right now. Okay, why it's not downloading? If anyone has, please you can share it with her. Or Nandini, you send me a message. I will share it with you because I have on another phone. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, everyone. I hope everyone has given the attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay then. Thank you so much, everyone, and please be regular in attending the classes. Keep on practicing, keep on revising, and be there in every activity that is going to be conducted next week. Okay, I'll explain all the things, and I'll be sharing the books also. Whichever stuff is required, I'll be sending it to you. Don't have to worry at all. But your presence is must. Okay, you have to be there in all the activities. Promise? Promise, children?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, 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 okay. Please give the
Thank
attendance
you,
and
ma'am.
you can leave now. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you. Monica?